back. So we're here in the bunny hut, as you can see. We have Rosemary here with her 3 babies. We're working on weaning, so there's 4 over here, and then she is left with 3 for now. We'll be taking those out tomorrow, and then they will be completely weaned because they're all eating and everything just fine. But we don't want to take any chances of her getting mastitis, so we do it slowly by splitting up like half and half. Hi guys! As you can see, they are munching away on their hay right now. Mama's resting. Very exciting news. We had a litter last night. So if you remember, in our last video, I talked about several litters being due. Hey Clover. This is Clover, and she had her babies last night, didn't you, girl? Yes, you did. So we're gonna take a look. You gonna let us check your babies out, huh? You gonna let us check your babies out? So I'm actually gonna pull the nest forward so we can see them a little better. Take the nest out. Just gives us a little bit better of a view, and it keeps Mama calmer. She doesn't have us digging around in there while she's right there. So this is our doe that we ended up breeding to 2 different bucks. That's called double breeding. I'm trying to see, I haven't actually gotten a head count on these guys yet, so a nice big litter. She's such a good mom. Yeah, you are. I actually ended up catching a little bit of her birth on video, so that's exciting, and I'll actually put that in this so you guys can see. I've never caught her actually pulling fur or giving birth, so I got some of both last night, and that's really exciting. She looks tired, so I'm gonna leave her alone. In case anybody's been wondering how bunnies pull hair to fill their nest with, here's your front row view. I've actually never even seen her do this. I always catch her too late. She's always had them by the time I can get out here and check on her. Got everybody stirred up tonight. Tinkerbell's over here for moral support. As you can see, she's already started filling the nest. I came out and got her some extra hay because she had all of her hay in there. And she's making a really good nest all the way at the back, filling it up. Look at that big old belly. Mama. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Where's your good mama? go. Hey, Mama. Girl. So, we had another bunny have babies last night. She's a first-time mom, so as I mentioned in our first video that sometimes they have them outside the nest. She did make a good nest though. Yeah? Been outside wrangling bunnies this morning. A couple escaped out of our
bunny
tractor this morning. So we had 2 bunnies loose in the yard. Luckily, it's fenced in around the yard. And the dogs weren't out. Another litter of 7. It's just our lucky number, huh? So we actually built a rabbit tractor over the weekend, and we moved our December litter into it. It's a little makeshift right now. We've got everything but the roof complete, so it's got some boards hanging out on top just to keep them in. We're gonna be building the roof and the gate to open it over the weekend coming up. So I'm gonna show you guys a little bit. So this is our latest project. I just moved them to fresh grass. They moved in yesterday, so they're still very excited about being on the grass. Hey, dude. Zola, touch. What is it? Ozzy. What is it, buddy? Come on. Alright, guys, we have to go cook dinner now.
Bye.
Bye. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for joining us.